Welcome back. I'm your friend Side Hustle Sage, and today I'll show you just how easy it is to start earning online in 2025. You don't need a degree or a big investment, just a smartphone, internet, and some consistency. The internet has leveled the playing field, especially for us in South Asia. I'll break down 3 simple, proven ways to earn online. No fluff, just actionable steps. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own online income stream. Grab a notebook and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Daraz, the Amazon of South Asia. Millions shop here daily, and you can become a seller with just a few clicks. Sign up for a seller account, provide your details, and you're in. Start small. Pick simple, everyday items from your local market. Think phone cases or kitchen gadgets. Take clear photos with your phone, write a short, honest description, and set your price. Price your product to cover costs and make a profit. Daraz handles shipping, payments, and returns, so you focus on finding more products. Many start with $5, $20 a day, but you can scale up as you grow. Test 1 or 2 products, learn what works, and reinvest your profits. It's a low-risk way to launch your first online business. Next, for my friends in Pakistan, Digiskills.pk is a free, government-backed platform to learn digital skills. Choose from courses like graphic design, content writing, or digital marketing. Once you finish a course, create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Use ChatGPT to help write your gig descriptions and bio. It's like having a free assistant. Start with lower prices to get your first clients and positive reviews. Those reviews are your ticket to higher earnings. With patience, you can earn $10, $100 a day from home. Focus on one skill, build your reputation, and watch your freelancing career grow. It's a real, accessible path to online income. For viewers in India, Meesho lets you start a business with zero investment. Download the app, sign up, and access millions of products. Share items you like with friends or on social media, add your profit margin. When someone buys, place the order in the app. Meesho handles shipping and payment. You never touch the product or spend upfront. Earn Rs 200, Rs 500 per sale, just by connecting products to buyers. Perfect for students, homemakers, or anyone wanting a side income. Use your network and creativity to grow your earnings. It's simple, risk-free, and all you need is your phone. Before you start, remember these 4 golden rules. Start small and stay consistent. Focus on one product or skill. Avoid scams. Never pay upfront for a job or platform. Reinvest your first earnings to grow your business or upgrade your skills. Keep learning. Digital trends change fast, so stay curious and adapt. Watch videos, read blogs, and keep improving. Celebrate your wins, but always look for ways to level up. Consistency and learning are your biggest assets. Protect your money and your time. These habits will set you up for long-term online success. There you have it. 3 practical ways to start earning online in South Asia in 2025. Pick one method, commit for 30 days, and take action. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Side Hustle Sage for more tips. Comment below with your country. I'd love to hear from you. Let's build a supportive community and grow together. Until next time, keep hustling and take care.